Hello, good morning. Today we will discuss about the measures of variability. When we say variability, it refers to the spread or dispersion of a group of data. Measures of variability, sometimes called measures of dispersion, that provide descriptive information about the dispersion of scores within data. And it also provides summary statistics to understand the variety of scores in relation to the midpoint of data. Measures of variability has four common under this. First, we have the range. Second, mean deviation. Third, the variance, and last, the standard deviation. But first, we must discuss only the two. We have the range and the mean deviation only. So when we say the range tells you the spread of your data from the lowest to the highest value in the distribution. It's the easiest measure of variability to calculate. To find the range, simply subtract the lowest value from the highest value in the data set. Okay, here are the formula of range, which is R is equal to H minus L. R stands for range, and the H stands for highest number, and the L stands for lowest number. So here are the examples given. We have the 6, 2, 8, 12, and 10. So first step, we must find the highest number here, which is 12, and the lowest number, which is 2. Then simply subtract the numbers. So 12 minus 2, therefore the answer is 10. So range or R is equal to 10. Now we proceed to our mean deviation. So mean deviation, when we say mean deviation is, in statistics and mathematics, the deviation is a measure that is used to find the difference between the observed value and the expected value of a variable. In simple words, the deviation is the distance from the center point. In simple words, the deviation is distance from the center point. Similarly, the mean deviation is used to calculate how far the values fall from the middle of the dataset. In this article, let us discuss the definition formula and examples in detail. So we have two formulas under this. We have the ungrouped data and the grouped data. And remember, the denoted symbols of mean deviation is M point and points. The formula of ungrouped data is MD is equal to summation of absolute X minus mean over N. And the formula of group data is MD or mean deviation is equal to summation of X absolute X minus mean over N. So here are the examples of ungrouped data. So first step, here are the numbers. We have 2, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So first step, nakita nyo nga gapahigda nga numbers, we need to arrange it vertically. So we have the 2, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And all this number is belong to the variable of x. So nakita nyo naman may x sa babaw. So we have 2, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So next we have add only the all numbers. So the answer is 38. We have on our second step to compute the mean deviation is to compute the value of the mean. So here are the formula of the mean. Mean is the summation of x over n. The summation of x, ang gicomputer ligad which is 38. So 38 and the n is an ungrouped data. So isipon ta lang na diri. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sila kadilog. So 5 na ding ibutang ta. So 38 over 5. Therefore the answer is 7.6. So mean is equal to 7.6. Now next we have the third step is the deviation from the mean. So here are the examples. Amo ning aton nga x, and all we need to do is every x is minus to the mean. So, ang x na diri i-minus ta lang sa mean answer. So, 2 minus 7.6 is negative 5.6. 6 minus 7.6, negative 1. 8 minus 7.6, 0.4. 10 minus 7, 2.4. And 12 minus 7.6 is 4. Now, we have fourth step or the last step to compute the mean deviation. On this part, we will get the negative turned to positive numbers. And that helped by the absolute value. When we say absolute value, is to avoid having negative deviations. So, negative 5.6 turned to positive 5.6. Negative 1.6 turned to positive 1.6. And the positive 0.4, copy lang only all the positive numbers here. So we have the 5.6, 1.6, 0.6, 2.4, 4.4. And we must add all of this. So the answer is 14.4. And now, pwede ta na ma-solve ang aton nga mean deviation. So, the formula of our mean deviation is m.d, or mean deviation is equal to summation of value of x minus mean over n. Kung rin sa baba, mahimo na siya sang 14.4. Kamo na ni siya ang aton nga summation of x. So, 14.4 over n, which is our number of numbers of data, which is 5. So, 14.4 over 5. Therefore, the answer is 2.88. And the answer is mean deviation is equals to 2.88. So, we are proceed to our group data. The formula of our group data is MD, or mean deviation, is equal to summation of f absolute x minus mean over n. So, we are the examples given here. So, we already have our cost and the f. So, the f is 4, 5, 6, and 8. So, the total is 23. So, here in the group data, we must first step, we must find our variables of x, which is the midpoint of our cost over here. So, the midpoint of 1 to 5, or ang tunga-tunga iya is 3. And the midpoint of 6 to 10 is 8. The midpoint of 11 to 15 is 13. And the midpoint of our 16 to 20 is 18. So, next step is our f multiply to our variable of x. So, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 5 times 8 is equals to 40. 6 times 13 is equal to 78. 8 times 18 is equals to 144. The overall answer is 274. So, next step is to compute the mean. Before that, we have to compute our mean. We are here our formula. So, mean is equal to summation of f and f, absolute x over n. So, our answer here in the f and x is 274. And the n is our frequency, total frequency is 23. So, 274 divided by 23 is equal to, mean is equal to 11.91 or 12. We have the variable of x is minus ta lang ang aton answer sa mean. So, 3 minus 12 is equals to negative 9. 8 minus 12 is equals to negative 4. 13 minus 12 is equals to 1. 18 minus 12 is equals to positive 6. So, next step is we having absolute value x minus mean. So, we need to get the negative here turned to positive numbers. So, the negative 9 turns to positive 9. Negative 4 turns to positive 4. Positive 1. Make it positive 1, 6, and over there 6. So, next step is the F, i-times mo ang frequency sa aton nga answer, sa aton nga sa aton nga answer diri sa mean. So, we have 4 times 9 is equals to 36. 5 times 4 is equals to 20. 6 times 1 is equals to 6. And 8 times 6 is equals to 48. And the total is 110. So, okay na siya. Makompute na ng aton nga mean deviation. So, our formula of our mean deviation is M point D, or mean deviation, is equal to summation of F absolute X minus mean over N. So, our summation of F absolute X minus mean is our 110, and over N, our total of our frequency is 23. So, 110 over 23, the answer is 4.78 or 5. Our mean deviation is equals to 4.78 or 5. And just remember that we compute our mean deviation, we need to do the process step by step so that the answers of our mean deviation will be correct. And that's all. Thank you.